Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be.
Ooh, guys, in today's video we have a grocery haul. We have some cooking, so stay tuned for all the goodness.
Hey guys, hi. I'm here for a video. I haven't done a video in a long time. So I thought I would do a small little haul just to show you what I got from the store. Yeah, let me show you. All right, let's start over here on the side. We have a pack of bacon. We have a pack of tripe. Are you gonna cry the whole time? Alright guys, so this video quickly became a voiceover because yeah, my son will not stop screaming. He was just outside the baby gate and was not having it that I was on the other side of it. So here I'm showing you, we have some tripe and we have beef feet, so cow's feet. Can you guess what I'm gonna be making? Anybody? Menudo. So I'm going to be making menudo for Christmas, and so I wanted to go ahead and get those items. I also got an 18 count of eggs, and I got a tub of guacamole. So when I do grocery pickup, I don't like to put avocados on my list because they never give me avocados that are ripe or they're too ripe, or you know, that's just something you want to pick yourself. So I just go ahead and get the in-store made guacamole, and it's actually really delicious. They make it fresh in store. So yeah, I have 2 pounds of strawberries. Y'all know my daughter is like a fruitaholic. There are some tortilla chips. Really? You coming into my voiceover? I also got these crushed fire roasted tomatillos because I thought it would be a nice like base for some salsa. Really? Okay, let me stop. Alright guys, I'm back. Let's see if I can get through this. I got some mayo because the one I had in my pantry I moved to the fridge. So I'd like to keep that stocked. I also got some apple pie filling. So I'm going to make a dessert on Christmas. I got it from Sean from Squeaky Clean Life. And so I got an apple pie filling and then a caramel apple pie filling. I also got a big box of Ritz crackers because we go through Ritz crackers like nobody's business. Here is some salami and some cheese. Homemade Lunchables are a thing around here. The kids prefer them that way. So, you know, convenience with the cheese. It's probably cheaper if I would just buy a block, but convenience. And yeah, so here you guys, kind of like sacrilege, I know, but I got some store-bought tamales. I haven't been able to find anyone making tamales this year for Christmas, and so I bought some store ones. These are actually pretty decent for being stored tamales. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, my friend's mom will end up making some and I can get the real fresh thing, you know. But yeah, just what we have for now. 4 dozen.
I want to go watch TV.
We'll go watch TV. You're the one that followed me in here. I'm trying to do my voiceover. I got a caramel macchiato iced coffee. I got these sub rolls. I plan on making Philly cheesesteaks. If you stick around in this video, you will see me cook that in this video. But this was like what I had to work with on grocery pickup. These are not the subs I intended to use. I actually had purchased some, but didn't get around to make them. And since they were fresh rolls, they ended up going bad. And so we're going to use these, and I'm sure they're going to be just fine. And since I'm doing this voiceover after the fact, they were just fine. I also got some tortillas. So I got the little street taco ones. Or if you bought the regular ones, you got the street taco ones for free. Something along those lines. Also, these walnuts came free with the apple pie fillings. I also got some Mexican oregano. If you guys aren't cooking with this, it's completely different than oregano. It tastes different and it's just so yummy. Serrano peppers, jalapeno peppers. I got a bag of limes. I got some Roma tomatoes, 2 things of green onions, and then like 4 things of cilantro. This is all for the menudo, guys. If you know, you know. Oh, and a bag of onions. You can't forget onions, cilantro, jalapenos, you know, for your menudo. You just gotta have it. I also got these 2 bags of cotton candy grapes. You guys, they're so expensive, but you know, they are so delicious and the kids will run through that. So yeah, this was my little grocery haul. Now let's make some. I am actually starving. Haven't eaten yet today, and so I think I'm gonna make the Philly cheesesteaks. Let's see if I can just bring y'all with me. So we're just gonna continue here with the voiceover. Yes, my son is still screaming in the background. You guys know there's that baby gate between, you know, the kitchen, dining room area and the living room. And if I'm on the other side of it, he is just not happy. So that's just the way it is. He's safe, he's fine, but he's just not happy that I'm not next to him. So I bought a new griddle, and so I went ahead and pulled that out, and I'm going to start chopping some veggies. We're going to do some peppers, some onions, and some mushrooms for our Philly cheesesteaks. So I'm just going to get all that chopped up here and put it on this griddle. I decided to do it this way because I can cook everything all at one time and just hopefully save some time, some cleanup, some energy. It was super easy to clean this. No, we cannot open the umbrella inside. And so, yeah, I'm just going to take y'all along. This is a very simple meal, especially if you get the cheesesteak, like meat packs in the frozen section at your local grocery store. Super easy and delicious, and it is a family favorite. Alright guys, so I'm just getting these cooked down. I'm adding some pepper. We're going to the beach. It's winter time, girl. Some pepper, some slap your mama, and we're just gonna get these cooking. Now my kids don't eat the veggies. My kids are not particular. I mean, they don't really care for mushrooms and the peppers, and I just knew they weren't going to eat the veggies, so I put the slap your mama on there. My boys will eat stuff with the slap your mama, but the babies don't really. So yeah, the veggies are basically for us. I'm going to add this squeezy garlic. It's just convenience, guys. I've been finding myself buying that a lot because it's easy. Also some Goya seasoning. Now this is the meat I was talking about. It comes like pre-shredded sirloin Philly cheesesteak. It's in the frozen section. You can find it, I think, at a lot of different grocery stores, but I went ahead and used this entire pack. We are a family of 6, and this was kind of like a lunch for us. So yeah, I'm going to season it up. I put the Goya seasoning. I put onion powder. This is Sazon. So I just opened all my little Sazon packets and I put it in this this jar.
and that's what I use. And so I'm gonna season that up. I do end up tasting it later. Here you go. And I add some more seasoning. So I added paprika, this buttery steakhouse. You guys just season it up however you want. Now, no, you cannot have batteries. The box that it came in said it was seasoned meat. You guys, you know when it says it's seasoned and it's coming from the grocery store, it ain't seasoned enough. So throw whatever seasonings you like on there. These are the cheeses I'm using. I'm using some mozzarella for some good meltiness, some provolone, smoked provolone, and then I also, on my husband's and I, use this habanero jack cheese, and it was delicious, you guys. Cheese it up. I mean, can you ever have too much cheese? I don't think so, but one of my sons is not a fan of provolone cheese, and I should have thought about that and not put it on his, but he still ate it, and it's okay. So we're just going to cheese it up, and then I'm going to cover it with tinfoil and kind of like get the cheese to melt while I make the buns all toasty. And then that's it, you guys. It is so simple. Making it on this griddle was so convenient. And pop it in your buns and you are done. So thank you guys for coming along. I know this video was super quick, but I wanted to get something out for you guys, and I hope this gave you a good lunch idea for your family. Eat it with some chips. Boom, bam, there you go.
Always be Christmas in my heart.